Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're talking about the OXO Good Grips Little Salad Dressing Shaker, the best salad dressing bottle with a pour spout. If you're tired of the mess and hassle of pouring salad dressings, sauces, and marinades, then this little gem might be just what you need. This shaker is not only compact and easy to use, but it's also designed to make your life easier. It has a one-handed operation with a lever that flips back to pour and forward to seal, ensuring no leaks or spills. You can easily mix, serve, and store your dressings all in one bottle, making it incredibly versatile for your kitchen. The 1-cup capacity is perfect for small to medium batches, and the wide opening accommodates a variety of ingredients, so you won't have trouble getting everything in. The best part? This dressing shaker is made from durable, BPA-free Triton, making it dishwasher safe and built to last. Whether you're making a quick vinaigrette or a creamy ranch, this shaker ensures smooth pouring every time without any fuss. And thanks to its leak-proof seal, you won't have to worry about any messy accidents in your fridge or bag. Whether you're prepping for a dinner party or making a quick salad at home, this dressing shaker will quickly become one of your kitchen essentials. If you're ready to elevate your salad game, the OXO Good Grips Little Salad Dressing Shaker is a must-have. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more honest product reviews.